In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear lower rearward control arm on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. Remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Take those out. Once I go to take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel on, take that one out, and pull the wheel off. Using a 18mm wrench on the back side, there's a nut, and using a 10mm hex socket, I'm going to loosen the nut up. There's the nut. Take this the rest of the way up. Oh, slid up a little bit. That's okay. There's two bolts right here. I'm just going to lower the exhaust down so I can access those bolts. If you want to, you could try prying the exhaust out of the way a little bit, but it's a little bit tight for this one. So we're going to use a pull jack. Support the exhaust right there. I'm going to use some exhaust hanger pliers. Just push the hangers through right there. Just slide that out of the way. Do the same on the other side. This side's actually broken right here, but you want to push that one through. Up top next to the muffler, push that through. And the other side. Now lower it down. Just enough so that you can access the bolts easier. There's a bolt right there. We're going to use an E14 socket. Take that bolt out. Using a T55 socket. Take this bolt out. Now take the arm. On the top of this, there was a shim right there. You want to get that shim lined up. Take this bolt. This bolt has an adjuster cam on the top. So you might want to keep note of the way that adjuster cam was before you take it apart. You're still going to need an alignment at the end anyway. Get that started. This other bolt, slide that through. Get that started. before we tighten that down up top. Get this bolt in down below. And on the inside there, put the washer, if you had a washer on yours, and then the nut. Get started. Just snug that for now. Snug that up. Get that close. I can use a 21mm wrench and adjust that. Good. I'll torque these to 51 foot-pounds. I'll torque this bolt to 88 foot-pounds. I'll raise the exhaust. The mounts lined up, and slide the mounts in, 2 front ones and 2 rear ones. You can lower the pull jack, put the wheel on, the lug bolt started. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 95 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. After you've done this job, you want to make sure you bring it to a local shop to have the vehicle aligned so you don't have premature tire wear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.